Hey guys, Baron Von Forger, Grillax.com. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be cooking a sausage and peppers dish here in the FireDisc grill with ciabatta bread. If you like to think outside the box on your picnics, you don't like that soggy sandwich, you like something fresh, this is exactly what you need to do. Got fresh peppers, onions, and Italian sausage. It's going to be cooked in this FireDisc. All the flavors are going to meld together, and then you put that on the ciabatta bread. Top it off with a little mayonnaise, spicy mayonnaise sauce, and it's going to be good to go Grillax style. All right, with this dish, we're going to start with a little olive oil. Going to get that going in the FireDisc on about medium-high heat. Once that comes up to temperature, we're just going to add all of our vegetables so that, as you can see, the FireDisc comes up very quick. Can't complain about the time it takes for the FireDisc to start cooking. It's already starting to smell good. Simple stir fry. Let these veggies get in there. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Can you smell that? It smells really good. So once you get that going, let that cook in the FireDisc a little bit. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of garlic, and this is the garlic paste that just simply makes your outdoor getaways that much better because it's simple, it's easy. A little salt, add a little salt to it. Probably about a tablespoon. That ought to work. And let those cook on each side. Now it's going to take a little while because Italian sausages, which you can get any brand, they have them at the grocery store, Johnsonville, or the grocer's brand. But they're gonna take a little while to cook because they're raw on the inside. These aren't cooked sausages like a hot dog. So you want it to sear on either side. So you're gonna flip these 2 or 3 times before we take these off and split them. We're gonna split them and then put them back into the FireDisc so that they get ready for the ciabatta bread. And it's just gonna be so tasty. Let's see if it's, as you can see, it's kind of getting a little cooked to it. But we want a little bit more than that. So we're going to leave these in here, and once these get to a point where we can turn them, we'll show you what we do on the FireDisc here on Grillax.com. Alright guys, as these sausages cook, you're going to notice that they're going to plump up a little bit, and that's all those juices that are within that sausage is going to plump up inside the casing of the sausage. And the fat from the Italian sausage is going to mix with that olive oil and these onions and peppers, and it smells so good. You got to take a look at this. Take a look at how they're already cooking, but see how plump they are and how gorgeous that color is. You can see that color on that sausage right there, and it's just outstanding. Starting to cook here. We're going to give them a little flip. Let it cook on the other side, and then we'll be ready to split. All right, I'm going to take these sausages off, and we are going to split them and then return them to the FireDisc and give it a little sear on the inside just to make sure we get it cooked. Woo, yeah. Inside that olive oil, get our peppers over here, get some of that fat from the sausage to get into the flavor of the veggies. And these can sit right there until it's time for us to plate. All right, we're gonna take this ciabatta bread and we are gonna get this creamy Dijon spread, which you can get the recipe at Grillax.com. Slather it all over the bottom of that, on the bottom piece of the ciabatta. Put it back on your plate, get the top, do the same thing. Really, really good stuff. Now we're going to go plate it. We're going to take a sausage. We're going to get rid of one, cut it in half, make this a perfect sandwich. Take 3, put it on that sandwich like that. Get some of these peppers, lay them on top. I think I'll take a little more right there. Yeah. Okay. And this is the spicy sausage with peppers and onions cooked in the FireDisc grill on Ciabatta Bread on Grillax.com. FireDisc Grill.